Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your AT&T eSIM. And it's really easy and simple, so let's get started. So first things first, you want to ensure that your smartphone actually supports eSIM functionality. So most newer iPhones, Samsungs, and Google Pixel devices do support eSIM. And then what you need to do next is you need to get an eSIM activation code. So you want to visit an AT&T store, log into your AT&T account, or just contact customer support to request an eSIM activation code, which will usually be provided as a QR code, okay? The next what you want to do is you want to open your phone's settings. So for iPhone, you want to go to settings, then go to cellular, and then click on add cellular plan. And if you're on Android, what you want to do is click on settings, go to network and internet, go to mobile network, and click on add eSIM. And then what you want to do, guys, you want to use the device to scan the QR code provided by AT&T. So you want to follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation, okay? Then you just need to verify the connection. So once activated, you need to check your cellular settings to ensure that eSIM is connected to the AT&T network, and then just restart your phone to finalize the setup if necessary. And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you. If it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.